Alright, this is Christoph with Dusty Trails 4x4 Garage. Whew. Quick update. Owing to a necessity, Matthew and I, at my insistence and my gonna do it with or without his help, built a ladder. And what we managed to do was completely install, well, not completely, functionally install the wood burning stove. Just need to put the storm collar on it. What we were thinking was using the old external pipe system from Grandma's old trailer, because the storm collar I have is designed for that big external pipe, not a straight up 6-inch pipe. So I think we're going to try to pirate that big external pipe. Hi there, bro. What's a big boy, girl? What's a big girl? Wish I brought my dogs.
That's a boy.
I don't care. I wish I brought my dogs. Hey there.
Do you guys have anything that I can cut some wood with? Well, not right now, but later.
Yeah.
Because Jody took his
I think we have a gas chainsaw.
No.
Matthew?
If you don't, then I'll ask Jason when he gets back.
Pretty sure we have a gas chainsaw.
Yeah, I gotta work on it.
Okay.
Hold on. Alternatively, anyhow, so that, hold on.
Oh, you got your phone for me to see this?
Right there. That external pipe is what we're going to pirate off of that trailer. All right. Talk to y'all later. Bye.